Hey there, hope you're doing really well and I hope you're staying safe. Today's video is a bit of a celebratory video. We actually spoke to 3 out of 4 clients today. Well, actually I spoke to 4 clients. 3 out of 4 clients actually had chosen their product in the last week. And I just wanted to sort of share that good news with you because a lot of people getting into Amazon, they're sort of worried that they're never gonna, find a product, or they're worried about, how do I go about finding a product? And it is actually quite simple if you have the tools and if you actually know how to go about finding products. I'm actually looking at a very basic, very simple product now. It's a USB rechargeable LED dog collar here, and very basic product, very simple. It's got 238 reviews. It sells for about 15 US. There's a shipping charge there. Not many people selling this in Australia. And this is something that a lot of people tend to overlook is the product actually selling in Australia? Is there a market here in Australia? Because there's a lot of products that are doing really well in the US, as is this product right here. And it is basically, there's not many people selling this particular product, in Australia, right? So it's kind of like finding something that's already doing well, but just making no additions to it and just replicating it and bringing it here. And because we are usually a smaller market, a lot less sellers, right? So I just wanted to sort of share that idea with you. Whereas some products out there, it doesn't require you to to go out there and think, how can I make this original? How can I make this product, brand new? What are some ways in which, I can make this product stand out? You don't actually have to think that way. You could really just find out what's selling in the US and then bring it here to Australia. I just wanted to share this it's a beautiful evening tonight. I'm up here a month early. I'm supposed to be, well, no, I am. I'm holding an event in about a month and a few days, and it's just beautiful. It's pouring down with rain out here. But I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're enjoying yourself. Stay in. I don't know. God knows what day we are. God, day 200 and whatever it is, stay at home. But hope you're having a fantastic day. Stay safe with you and your family. And I'm looking forward to potentially maybe, if you're looking to get something started, hit me up, drop me a message, send us a private message, and I will happily have a chat with you. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye for now.